Hello, my name is Jed Albring and welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about ClickFunnels ActiveCampaign. So I assume you're here because you want to know if ActiveCampaign integrates with ClickFunnels. And yes, it does. And actually, I am an avid ActiveCampaign user. I love it. A good majority of ClickFunnels users and affiliates swear by ActiveCampaign, so they definitely work very well together. And of course, they work with all the other autoresponders, MailChimp, that's for a client of mine, all different types here. So, but it's real simple. To add your ActiveCampaign here, when you log into your ClickFunnels account, you would simply go up to the top right, tap on Integrations, and then you would hit Add New Integration. And then you would just choose from, find your ActiveCampaign. Where is it? Here it is. Click on that, and it's just going to tell you what to do, right? You give it a name, and you're going to get your API key from ActiveCampaign, and you're going to get your API URL from ActiveCampaign, and you can simply go get those by going to your settings in ActiveCampaign as well. And then you would just click the integration button, and it'll just show up right here. That's it. Now, when you're building a funnel, and let's say you have your opt-in here, ClickFunnels is smart enough to know that this is an email, right? It's required. You'd go to your Settings tab, go to your Integrations tab, click there, and then simply from the pull down here, you choose your integration, which mine is ActiveCampaign. So if you have several clients under ActiveCampaign accounts, you'd want to name it for those clients. Then you can choose to add it to your list. You can choose which action, if you want to add to a list or tag it, and then it tells you what list you want to choose. So one thing to keep in mind is if you just made a list and then you built the funnel, is to refresh your screen so that it can load up into ClickFunnels. All right, so that is a video about ClickFunnels ActiveCampaign and how you can integrate ActiveCampaign within your ClickFunnels. It's super easy. Please like, subscribe, and I will put a link below to both ClickFunnels trial and ActiveCampaign free trial for you. Thank you.